What would you do if tomorrow the world is frozen? If the sun disappeared behind the endless cloud and earth turns into an age of ice? The question is, what would you do and how could you survive? Imagine a world of unending cold. The glaciers stretch for miles and the very air bites like a predator. Around 2400 years ago, early humans faced a brutal challenge in this world. The last ice age wasn't just a season, it was an epic battle for survival. In this frozen wilderness, how did our ancestors endure the biting cold and scarcity? What secret can we uncover about their resilience? During the last glacial maximum, Earth's climate plunged dramatically. Ice sheeted curved continents, and average temperature dropped by over 10 degrees Celsius. This was a time when Europe and North America were blanketed in miles thick ice. The landscape resembled a vast icy desert, scattered with hardy megafauna, mammoth, woolly rhino, and caribou roamed the frozen plains, followed closely by the resourceful humans, who adapted their life to survival amid this chilling desolation. The humans who lived there were pushed into refuges, small pockets of livable land, where survival demands ingenuity and adaptability. Fire became a lifeline. More than just warmth, it was survival itself. Archaeological sites like Korban 9 in Ukraine reveal hearts that reach searing 600 degrees Celsius. Early humans mastered the art of fire pits, selecting spruce wood and perhaps adding animal fat to keep flame burning through icy nights. Fire provided not only heat but light, protection, and a place to cook nourishing meat. Around this glowing immerse, communities gathered, sharing stories and strengthening bonds. Even fire wasn't enough in the howling cold. Humans had to invent something warm themselves. Bone needles discovered in Cameron Graben prove that Ice Age people tailored fitting clothing from animal hides, reindeer, mammoth, and caribou furs. They stitched them tightly with sinew, creating insulation that was revolutionary for that period of time. Clothing wasn't just protection, it was a technology that allowed survival in extreme cold, a skill passed on and refined across generations. When winter winds roded, early humans built walls against extinctions. Mammoth bone huts discovered across Europe show communal efforts to erect sturdy shelters. These circular homes, covered with hides, shielded people from fierce gales. In forested area, pole framework held up tents, while some group dug pet houses for insulation. Shelters become refuges where bodies could rest, protected from the brutal climate and predators. Food defined survival. As ice advanced, diet shifted and hunting tactics evolved. Ice Age humans adopted by hunting smaller, more numerous prey. Caribou replaced extinct megafauna in many regions. Fat-rich diets helped meet energy demands in freezing temperatures. Groups collaborated on hunting, using spears and atlatls, while they preserved meat by drying or freezing. Sharing food ensured group survival, a strategy made out of necessity. Beyond survival, firelight sparked culture and community. Huddling around the hearth, early humans told stories, performed rituals, and built both vital for enduring harsh winter. Communal sleeping shared body warmth and comfort. Social cooperation, from hunting to nurturing, proved key to thriving on frozen plains. The cold within, psychological and cognitive adaptation. Humans evolved psychological traits, denser body fat, metabolic changes, and shorter limbs to conserve heat. Cognitively, the Ice Age included advance in tool making, planning, and social organization. The brain's problem-solving ability helped early humans respond flexibly to extreme environments. In crisis, humanity's creativity ignited. The Ice Age pushed humans to innovate, controlling fire, crafting tailored clothes, building shelters, and forging corporations. This invention laid foundation for civilization. Lessons still resonate in today's climate challenges. That ancient fire continues to burn within us. The resilience, the ingenuity, and the community. From the frozen wilderness to glowing screens, our Ice Age ancestors forged a legacy of survival. Their spirit shaped humanity's story, one of enduring hardship and blossoming creativity. Did you know that early humans faced rabbit starvation? That's because by eating too much low fat meat, learning quickly to balance their diet with fat rich sources, or that some ice age shelters were so indigenously insulated, even using layers snow, they even rival modern technologies. Moreover, primitive ice age humans are as simple or brutish fall away as archaeological wonder revealed complex social lives filled with rituals, art, and strategic planning. These ice age trials sculpted humanity, physically as well as mentally. Bodies adapted with metabolic changes and compact form to conceive heat, while brains expanded their problem solving through ease. The challenges of Ice Age winter forged cooperation, technology, and culture, laying the foundation of civilization itself. Ice Age survival is shrouded in a mix of awe, mystery, and common misconceptions. That has. The Ice Age also catalyzed migration, pushing humans into new landscapes, spreading technologies, and laying the groundwork for civilization culture's chapter. From the frozen silence of the Ice Age, a spark ignited that still burns today, a flame of resilience, ingenuity, and community. Our ancestors fight against relentless cold, shaped not just their survival, but the very essence of what it meant to be a human. They proved that in the face of adversity, creativity, and cooperation are among our greatest weapons. As we look to our own era of ecological challenges, the story offers a timeless lesson. The Ice Age was more than a frozen chapter in history. It was humanity's first great trial and triumph. So stay with history in motion as we continue this journey forward. The first human shelter, from the cave to hut, all Stone Age people choose where to live. So if you have enjoyed this journey into the deep past, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and put your comment below. And join me next time as we continue our journey from stone to civilization.